Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video. I am going to do a tablescape, simple and on a budget. I'm just using everything that I already have. These white table mats I bought during the Christmas sale, so I decided to use these. Now I started with this gold runner, but I didn't use it. Y'all familiar with my champagne or gold ginger jar. So guys, I'm just gonna use what I got and just do a little DIY to put this look all together. Now this collaboration is with Miss Kel, and her channel is called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And her channel will be in my description box. And this collaboration is called Be My Boo for Valentine. So guys, we got to put this together, and this is going to be a table for two. Now here I use my two red chargers, and I'm going to just use my white dish set. Guys, like I said, it's going to be simple and budget friendly. We have to use what we have. And friends, I am going to use my circuit air machine to make some DIY for Valentine's. I'm telling you, I'm really enjoying this machine. So many of you knew I just got this during the holidays for Christmas, and I'm just really learning how to use it. Thank God for YouTube and many of you guys who have put up videos about the circuit machine. Thank you so much. So here I just added some beautiful lips, filled with love for Valentine's Day. Because guys, everything that we do, if we do it, we got to do it in love. Love covers a multitude of sin. Friends, this is a donut for two, so I'm going to use my beautiful red wine glasses, and I got these about a couple of years ago from TJ Maxx. And then I'm going to go ahead and still use my Dollar Tree flowers, guys. And you see this beautiful black part? My daughter just gave me this yesterday. She got it from Publix, and she said that, oh, I'm going to get this to my mom because she loves vases. So that black really helped me with this tablescape. Friends, I'm gonna be honest with you. My husband don't like too much of anything too flashy. He's just a little country boy. So I just keep things very simple. But guys, you can play some romantic music. Send your children to bed if you have kids, and you can have an enjoyable time, you and your boo-boo. Go ahead now. Y'all enjoy Valentine. To God be the glory. So friends, I did me some DIY cups, the Mr. and the Mrs. So guys, tell me, what did you think of this? Guys, I'm telling you, I just love doing things a little different sometimes. And as you see, I still added my beautiful wine glasses. Friends, I DIY these forks. I painted them so they're not for us to eat with. They're only for decoration, so I have to move the forks. But forks are so expensive, the gold and black color. So I said, look, I'm going to try to DIY this. And it looks beautiful. I like it. I hope y'all like it. So friends, if you want to try to paint the forks, get some spray paint. And all you have to do is get some cheap forks from the Dollar Tree and paint it a day or two ahead, and that's it. So you saw I did do me some strawberries, which is money saving, guys, because I look online at these strawberries and see how much they cost. These chocolate covered or candy strawberries are so expensive. You can do this at home. Remember, I'm trying to show you how to do a budget friendly Valentine dinner. Let me share with you a little menu. Guys, if you love steak, you can saute your steak, marinate that steak the night before, guys, and cook it in the air fryer. The air fryer cooks steaks so much better. You can saute some green beans or asparagus, add some shrimp on the side. Guys, you can do a budget-friendly Valentine dinner. Put those sweet potatoes or baked potatoes in the air fryer. I guarantee you guys, it will look like a restaurant dinner. I've tried it so many times. And add some chives in it. All you have to do with these baked potatoes is add some oil and salt and let it cook in that air fryer. Guys, I'm telling you, y'all will love this dinner. And if it's at night, I just want to share this tablescape with you. Guys, do a candlelight dinner. Now, my taping is in the daytime, so I just want to share this picture with you just to get you in the mood. Friends, I hope y'all have a blessed Valentine's Day. Don't go out there and spend on anything that your honey, your boo do not like. But you know what your honey boo likes, so get what your honey like. Friends, I hope y'all enjoyed this on today. I want to thank Miss Carol for putting this together from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this today. Now, it's a little too early for me to cook the dinner, so that's why I gave you some pictures. Because on Valentine's Day, guys, I just keep it simple. We just enjoy ourselves. So I hope that y'all love this on today. And thank you so much, friends, for commenting and liking this video. I appreciate it. And for those that are new today, thank you for joining. I appreciate it. And I hope y'all continue to be blessed and know that God loves you. And know without a doubt, friends, you are too blessed to be stressed. And if nobody didn't tell you I love you, I love you. God bless y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye from Penny.